Welcome to Study Session 11, Investment Criteria in Public and Private Sectors, Part 2. Introduction. One aspect of the feasibility report that should be handled with much seriousness is the financial projection and financial analysis. This aspect is of particular interest to the financial institution because it affords the financial analyst to decide the choice of such project over others. There are a number of investment criteria in public and private sector. Some of the investment criteria are the net present value, internal rate of returns, benefit cost ratio, and payback period criterion. Types of investment criteria. There are four major types of investment criteria to be discussed in this section. 1. The net present value, NPV criterion. This criterion uses a given rate of interest to discount the future benefits and costs to the present so as to make it directly comparable with current values. The measure can therefore be used to assess the profitability of a project and will thus assist in answering questions relating to whether or not a project is desirable. To calculate the present value, we make use of the compound interest formula below, where A equals amount receivable in the future, P equals present value of the future amount, N equals year, I being interest rate. From the formula, it follows that P is equals to that. P being subject to the formula represents the present value of the future amount. In this case, it is called the discount factor. It should be noted that discount factor and the interest rate are two distinct but related concepts. The interest rate is an element in the computation of discount factor. Present value of a stream of benefits and costs. Suppose a poultry project has the following stream of costs and benefits. The lifespan of the project is 5 years. The interest rate is 10%, while the initial capital is 1,000. Each term of the stream of costs and benefits must be discounted back to the present. We cannot just add the streams of cost nor the streams of benefit to arrive at the aggregate. In this case, the present value of cost and benefits must be determined by discounting. Subtracting the PV of cost from the PV of benefits will give the net present value of the expected value of the project. A project is assumed desirable once the net present value of the expected profit is greater than 0. There are two specific methods to calculate the NPV. The first method. In this method, we'll find the present value of cost separately and the present values of benefit separately, and then subtract the PV of cost from the PV of benefits. The formulas are shown below. Let us consider an example below. Take 2. Let us also consider the example below. Second method. In the second method, we first deduct the stream of cost from the stream of revenue and then determine the NPV by discounting the stream of profits, as we can see below. This is the end of study session 11. Thank you.